Hello friends, this is Ramana. In this demo, I will show how to create reports in Excel format for getting data from SQL Server tables. So there is already one tool is there in the SQL Server Management Studio, that is the export wizard. By using the export wizard, we can get the data from the SQL Server table. And another thing is by using BCP Utility Command. And finally, by creating the SSIS package for getting the data from SQL Server tables to in CSV format, in text format, in Excel format, anything we can use these three options to get the reports from the SQL Server. So here in this demo, I will create only Excel format. How to get the data from the SQL Server tables in Excel? First, I am opening the Excel. My Excel version is 2016. So I am taking the fresh sheet altogether. So in this sheet, in menu you have observed file, home, insert, everything, and data is there. One item is there, one tab, and data tab. While clicking the data tab, there are we have some from access, from web, from text, everything is there. We can get from other sources by clicking the other sources. Immediately you get the drop down from SQL Server, from analysis service. Analysis services means SSIS. So Windows Azure, whatever the sources we have, you want to get the report, all were displayed while clicking the from other sources tab. So now we want to get the reports from the SQL Server. So I am clicking SQL Server. So immediately it asking the server name. In my case, it is admin and get name. It is asking the database, which database you want. I want to get the report from ICS test table, which is their cricket database. So for immediately after selecting the cricket database, respective tables are displayed in the down wizard. You can select your table ICC test underscore TBL. So I am selecting this table, and it is asking authentication settings. So I am taking Windows authentication, user authenticate, and I am taking this one authenticated, and immediately finish. So it is asking in which format you want to download. Table, pivot chart, everything is this there. So I am taking a table now. I am taking table, and this is my address of the first header columns data. So, so this is how the data will look like. This is the data in a Excel sheet. This is data in Excel sheet. This is Excel sheet in SQL format. So 10 rows are there. All 10 rows are displayed in this way. Microsoft has provided SSRS, that is reporting services option. So if you want to get the report in quick and fly, so this is better way to get the report from your database tables to the Excel format to send the report for your business purpose to client and the other stakeholders. So just by uh, taking these columns and report and put it in Microsoft Word, or directly you can send this sheet in mail to the respective stakeholders or client as per as per your business requirement. So now I am taking one more report by using the for same table. I am taking the same table one more report for getting the pivot report. Now I want to take the pivot report. For that, I'm again go to the data tab and click on from other sources and from SQL Server. So I passed the admin as my server name, and so it is asking the same table and same again. I'm taking the cricket ICC test underscore tbl is my table. Get next, and finish. Yes, if you, it is asking import data. If you, it is asking, you will take the pivot table report. Now I want to download the data from SQL Server to pivot table. Then pivot table. Okay. So this is how the pivot table looks like. So you can do, as you know, the pivot table is the one of the powerful tool in Excel. We can use the pivot table to analyze the data and to get the some reports as per the columns, and also to summarize the values as well. So now I am taking this row column, country name in row column, so it will appear, and player name in columns. Uh, or else if you want to take only runs in this, I am taking player name in rows, dragging the player name in rows column, and country name in columns. So this is the report you can get in Excel sheet by using the pivot table. So these are the player names, so these are the respective countries, and these are the runs as per your requirement. Once the data is dumped into the Excel sheet, you may do the analysis and reporting from format as per your business requirement. So here in this demo, I want to tell how to generate the um, report for SQL Server data tables in quick way, and in uh, when an urgent need and urgent case is available, we need to uh, get how to get the report from the SQL Server by using the Excel. So once again, I'm telling you just go to the data tab and click on the data tab and select the from all from other sources. Once you click then you have many options, and select your option as per your requirement. Here my intention is to get the report from SQL Server table. So you are selecting the SQL Server table and provide the server name details here and get this report accordingly. So this is how you know to get the report from SQL Server for a particular table data in Excel format as per your requirement. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.